Hello YouTube. Today I have with me the quite popular 9120 two-wheel drive RC car. Here we see one side of the box showing how the car looks under the body and listing some of its features. Now let's peek inside the box. First we have the manual, which lists the spare parts. Also there is a diagram of how everything fits together and of course instructions on how to use the car. Moving on to the car itself. I must say that the car looks very good, and especially with the plastic roll cage for a body. As with most cars you buy, it's secured on the box with cable ties. Well, let's carefully free the car from the box. The shocks feel very bouncy. I guess this should be one of the first upgrades one must do on the car. Well, it's time to take the body off now. On the inside, the car is almost identical with the 9115 and 9116 car. The battery is a 9.6 volt, 700 milliamp lithium ion, which should last about 10 minutes and comes with a proprietary connector. Now, if we compare the car with the Payu, the 9120 is smaller. Both cars are supposed to be 1/12 scale, but I guess the 9120 In real life, it's about 1/14 scale. The 9120 in stock form is very wide, which will probably make it very stable. The fayu here has been upgraded to wider wheels and axle wideners. The bumper here seems a bit small for such a wide car. It doesn't really protect the front arms. The controller of the car is very basic and works with two AA batteries. And for some reason, the wheel is not attached to the controller during shipping. In this box, we find the steering wheel, some tools, and the charger. The specs of the charger are 3.2 volts at 1000 milliamps, which I guess makes it a balanced charger. I don't think you can install the wheel on both sides of the transmitter, so it seems to be no thought for left-handed people. Overall, the transmitter feels like it belongs to a toy, and it's not as good as the car itself. Also included, we have a small screwdriver and a hex tool to take the wheels off. The hex tool is plastic and not metal, and it feels like it will break if you use it too much. The wheels don't have much rubber on them, and they don't have foam insert, which will make the car even more bouncy. These should be upgraded along with the suspension. The car is a very cheap way to start a hobby, and with a few upgrades it can be a very good two-wheel drive car. I guess that's it. Bye bye.